Hi, it's great to come down to Premier Property Club Canary Wharf. I walked into a room with about 90 people in there, all really keen on property and all networking like I've never seen at a meeting before. In fact, they were networking so hard that Cam had to hit the table several times to get some attention, to get them to sit down. So whether you've got something to say or you want to do some networking, I can recommend you come down here because you won't be disappointed. I certainly wasn't. Great fun, very informative, and I met a lot of lovely people.
Very enjoyable, very relaxed, and I would recommend anybody to come along to these places, network, listen, and help build your portfolio.
Hi, I'm Richard Valves, I'm the editor of Property Investor News magazine. I'm here tonight at Canary Wharf with Cam Davidi and the Premier Property Club. It's been a very interesting evening. There's 40 or 50 people in the room, some really good knowledge, and excellent evening. Thank you. Yeah, this is an event that certainly I would recommend people to come along to if they're located in and around the East London Canary Wharf area. Clearly there's a good atmosphere in the room, some good content, and worth attending. A vibrant, positive atmosphere.